Hey there everybody, it's me John, and I have a request. Well, I received a request to do a how-to. The machine in question is a Hoover Elite. Thank you, Dirt Devil 96, for submitting that request to find out how to repair or replace your impeller fan on your Hoover Elite. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, my little handy workbench. First, what you want to start off by doing is removing the cord. Just have it, just flopping all over the place. Next, what you want to do is you want to remove the handle from the power head assembly. It's much easier just to have that thing out of the way altogether. There's a screw right here, and there's a nut on the back. It's a long one. How ridiculous. That's a long screw for a vacuum cleaner, eh? So, make sure you thread the nut back onto the screw. Don't lose it. It was a little chewed up, but it still works. Oh well. Set it aside, but don't lose it anywhere. Now you can remove the handle and bag assembly from the power head. Well, it is easy. Just like that. And then just discard it somewhere. Now you have your power head. The screws on this one are missing, so get you a flat-bladed screwdriver, and you have a clip right here and a clip right here. Just throw it out of the way, it doesn't matter. And then you have slots here on either side. Wedge a screwdriver in there. Just like that. And that's how you remove the what I like to call a vanity cover from the power head assembly. Oh, and don't lose that little thing. Your height adjusting thingy. Yeah, that's a good one. Next, you want to remove the belt. You don't have to remove the brush roll. Someone had a party. I wasn't invited. What a shame. Next, what you're going to do, get your screwdriver or a drill. I only use drills because they're so much easier. You want to lower the motor to its lowest position and proceed. What you're doing here is you're removing the motor retainers. I don't know if that's the right word for that or not. And then you free it. And then, like everything else, you discard that. Oops. Now, in order to get this out of here, you have 4 screws here. Let's get rid of them. After you've removed those screws, you can remove this here cover. But, like usual, there's always a rubber bumper holding something together. Pull that off, discard, and there is your impeller. Now that ought to just thread right off of there. Let's see if I can get it to cooperate. For this, I'm going to use vice grip. Man, I hate tightening these things by hand. Get your vice grip and you lock it onto the motor shaft. And this ought to just spin off one way or the other. Just like that. And that's how you remove the impeller from your vacuum cleaner. I hope this information was useful to you. Thanks for your request. Enjoy. And good luck.